The Edge Fixture by Liteline is a luminaire specifically designed for grid ceilings and replaces a troffer or a flat panel with a more visually appealing look. The edge drops right into the grid, and the acoustic tile will rest on top of the fixture without requiring any cutting or trimming. The Edge is DLC rated and delivers up to 5400 lumens out of a 3/4 inch aperture, yet it is still comfortable on the eyes as we're using our glare guard technology to reduce the high angle glare by 60%. The Edge also comes pre-installed with earthquake clips. The Edge driver has the same great features as our Forum series panels, featuring both CCT and wattage selectable switches. A key benefit to the Edge is that it does not interfere with the mechanical systems above the ceiling, which means that you can drop a sprinkler head or an air return right in the middle of the fixture. We're super excited about the Edge, and we hope you go to liteline.com/edge to learn more.